Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Welcome to the Mr. Shields to You What's Update, February 2020. So I got a few things to tell you about that's coming up. And as well as, sorry you haven't seen me in about a month because I took some time off to just kind of reevaluate, think about some new ideas, new projects, new places I'd like to do this year. We'll see. It's always nice to plan though. But something I wanted to show you guys is t-shirts are available on my Spreadshirt, so I'll put the link to that below in the description box. As well as another thing I've been working on since I took time off is the official Mr. Shields to You Adventure Club. So the webpage is up and running. I will put that link in the description box below. Please check it out. As well as if you become a member, I'll be able to send out emails to you with exclusive content, maybe some things that are coming up that I don't want to talk about on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. But the big news is what's really going on for February is in about a week I am going on a Carnival cruise to the Western Caribbean. So we'll be sailing a Carnival Conquest, and we have 4 ports, which will be Grand Cayman, Mahogany Bay, Honduras, Belize, and Cozumel, Mexico. So I can't tell you how excited I am to get out of winter. Nothing like Caribbean in the winter, huh? Anyway, so please look forward to content I will be creating for that. That'll be the All Aboard Season 2 Carnival Conquest series. If you want to go back and check out my All Aboard Carnival Fascination series from last February, you can do so by searching through my YouTube channel. Some other things that are coming up are going to be some parks. Got something planned, probably April, and then May, June, July, I guess. So starting like April, there should be something fun to do just about every month or every few weeks. So I hope you guys will look forward to that. Please, for my YouTube channel, we're almost at 200 subs. So let's do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And ask your family and friends to subscribe. And I'm sure you guys will all join the adventure and you will enjoy it. So please look forward to that. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to talk about the equipment I'll be using in a minute. But I'm going to segue to that. And then we'll finish out. Okay, guys. Here's the equipment I'm going to bring on the cruise. I'm going to bring my GoPro 8, Hero 8, my 5, probably my 4 just as a backup on batteries. Of course, you want to have your SD cards, case. These cases all came from Amazon, by the way. Waterproof. This is a 20,000 milliamp battery charger. I got a couple wrist mounts for the GoPro, a couple little tripods. Don't forget your chargers, and I'll probably bring a flexible tripod just because. And of course I will be using my iPhone XS Max as another camera. Yeah, oh, the other camera I'll be bringing, of course, is my my G7X Mark II. But here, you like my studio setup? There's my iMac, and then look at that studio rig. Anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for joining the adventure. Thank you for all your awesome support, and I'll see you guys soon. I am Mr. Shields, and that's Mr. Shields to you. Bon voyage. Bye.